Scrambled cube and solving. Alright, my name is Jay Flatland. This is my friend Paul Rose.
Hi.
We've built an extremely fast Rubik's Cube solving robot, and we're in the process right now of applying for an official world record. 1.196. Alright, we're turning the cube with stepper motors. They are resting in a 3D printed frame. The stepper motors have little 3D printed feet on the ends of them that fit into carefully drilled holes in each side of the Rubik's Cube. The Rubik's Cube can pop out. See, it's a regular Rubik's Cube aside from the holes. Frame comes back together. Okay. And we use 4 USB webcams to determine the state of the cube very rapidly. That camera information is fed into a PC application running on Linux. That application determines the cube state, feeds the cube state into an implementation of the Kosiemba Rubik's Cube solving algorithm, which determines a set of moves to solve the cube very rapidly. We have 6 stepper motor drivers here, controlled by an Arduino chip, an Atmel. The Arduino is responsible for controlling highly tuned acceleration-deceleration curves to drive the stepper motors. 3, 2, 1, 1.196. Alright, I'm going to take out the cube and hand scramble it, as we will on our competition day. I block one of the cameras so it's not getting any hints as I'm scrambling the cube. Just trust me, I'm not scrambling this in any predetermined sort of way. Okay, load cube back in. Camera's still blocked. Make sure everything's loaded fine. Okay, I will come out here, get ready to arm the machine and reveal the cube. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1.047 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1.